Today, we're going to build a Bat rocket ship using 12 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
So I came up with this Bat rocket ship in my quest to build 25 micro Bat vehicles for an advent calendar at the end of the year. And for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to start with a Travis brick, my favorite piece, in black because that's Batman's favorite color. And on those side bricks, or those side studs of the Travis brick, we're going to get these 1x1 tiles with clip on top. And we're going to put it so that the clips are going on the left and right of the Travis brick. So it looks like this on the side. And so we're going to do that to all 4 sides of our Travis brick. And make sure when you're all done that it looks like this from above. And now let's start building the top of our space shuttle. Now to build the top of our space shuttle, we're going to grab these 1x1 round bricks. And one's rolling away on me, but we're just going to put those on top of our Travis brick like this to kind of create the large fuselage of a rocket ship. And then to give that cone shape, we're going to get a 1x1 round cone piece, put that on top of our ship, and now we've kind of got the shape of our rocket. Now for the side wings, to help it kind of stabilize in the atmosphere and also to give Batman's signature, we're going to use these batarangs for kind of like the tail fins of our rocket ship. And what we're going to do is just the way Batman would hold it, kind of like this, that's the way we're going to put it into our clips, like that. And we're going to do it to all 4 clips all the way around our Bat rocket ship. And when we're done, we will have a space shuttle ready for Batman to fly off into space in case he needs to deal with any extraterrestrial threats.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.